Hey everyone, it's Andrew Thomas coming at you with your daily quick bit. Today I wanted to talk to you about being dynamic, being fluid when you interact in the business world and in general in every encounter you might come across. But specifically, I've got a great story for you guys today. I was doing some prospecting calling today, and in fact, I have brought on a couple callers to help me out with doing some marketing and such. And so I was doing some verbal training and oversight as we were doing our calls. And my wife, she oftentimes spends time hanging around and listening to what we have to say. And she was eventually goaded into, hey, maybe you could try a call. This could be kind of fun, right? Well, she comes and sits down, and lo and behold, she's expecting someone to answer the phone and her to say, hello, would you like to buy or sell a property? And instead, what she gets is someone answers the phone and says, hello, this is, what was it? A credit union. And she chokes. She just, and then she ran out of the room. It was just absolutely hilarious. And the lady was left there saying, hello, hello, who is this? And it was this interesting situation where when you're out prospecting, there are different situations that arise, and you never know who's going to answer the phone depending on the calling system you're using. And so you have to remain on your toes. If a business answers the phone, you have to be ready to quickly think of some kind of application to their business and say, hey, I'm reaching out. I was curious if you or your coworkers were interested in buying or selling properties. Or sometimes I've even gone as far as seeing if the company itself is in a position to purchase or sell a commercial property or land. And those, again, are things that I can work with and utilize. But by keeping your head from droning off as you go through the monotonous hundreds and thousands of calls that you can do, you can remain dynamic and fluid in your conversation and your interactions with people. And it keeps you sharp, it keeps you on your toes, it bolsters your communicative skills. And so it's just something that you can apply to everything you do in your life. And it's just a fun story on what happens to most people when something different, something obscure happens in the monotonous daily routine of life. A lot of people choke and simply know not what to do and will just run from the room. So I call you guys, become dynamic, become fluid in your thinking, in your dressing of the situations in life, and you can create opportunities everywhere you look. Thanks so much. I'll be with you guys tomorrow. Bye.